We're looking at this twin engine boat, 2 rudders, 2 propellers, and the question is which is correct and what is not correct, or best practice and maybe not the best practice. Looking at this propeller on the starboard side, you can see that we've got the half nut and the whole nut, half size nut and a whole size nut with the cotter pin, and yet you can see my shadow right there. But you can see the half nut and the whole nut on the starboard prop. And then moving over here to the port prop, you can see that we've got the whole nut first and the half nut second, again with the cotter pin right here. So the whole nut first, half nut second. Look over here, half nut first, whole nut second. So which is right? The half nut first or the whole nut first? Look up the ASME code, and that should tell you which is the proper way of putting the nuts on the propeller shaft. By the way, this has got a big strut system going to the keel, then going up to the hull, and then you can see up there in the middle of the boat there's an intermediate strut. If you've got questions about propellers or boats, or which is the best way to put the nuts on the propellers, ask Captain Chris.